So hello everyone, welcome to helpyourmath.com. So this time we'll discuss about normal distribution. So whenever we collect data, the data has their own unique mean value and variance and standard deviation. But that's not standard value yet. So we need to convert normal value to standard normal value so that it becomes standardized data, so we can find the probability using the z-score. Okay, so converting x to z, that's what this means basically, and then z equal to each data minus mu over sigma. Okay, that's the formula here. Okay, then now, so look at this question and then talk about more detail of the normal distribution. A survey indicates that people use their computer on average of 2.4 years before upgrading to a new machine. The standard deviation is 0.5 years. A computer owner is selected at random. Find the probability that A. He or she will use it for fewer than 2 years before upgrading. B. He or she will use it more than 3 years before upgrading. C. He or she will use it between 1.7 years and 2.7 years before upgrading. Okay, so if you watch my previous video, then you know so how to distinguish the area representing left side or right side and between here, right? So basically fewer means basically lower side, so become left hand side. Now more means more is like a right side basically, and then between means it is kind of a lower value and upper value, so it's between, so that's what that means. Okay, so this time we will use normal value and then find their probability. Okay, please look at here. So first of all, we need to find out population means. So population mean indicate on the sentence here. So it shows that 2.4. So it should be 2.4, and then we need to know the standard deviation that equal to 0.5 basically 0.5. Okay, so here that's what we need. All right, then let's do a question here. So A first. He or she will use it for fewer than 2 years. So we can indicate probability x is fewer than 2 years. So this means you can make equal to normal. Then you see normal distribution here, right? Click that. And now you need to indicate x first. X is 2, so 2 comma, and then mean value, which is 2.4, so 2.4 comma, the standard deviation 0.5 comma, and it should be cumulative, that's true. Okay, and then enter. Then that should be the answer for this problem. Okay, and then the reason I am not doing anything like subtracting from the 1 or finding another value in the subtract, it is because I already showed the left side. That's the reason. Okay, and now B here. So B is probability x is bigger than 3 years. Okay, more than 3 years. Okay, so the direction is more. Then we have two different choices here, so I'm going to show both of them. So equal to, first of all, normal distribution, and click x become 3 comma, then population mean comma, standard deviation comma, cumulative, yes, and then close that, enter, and then but it representing on its left side, so left side here, so you must subtract from the 1. So that's one way to do it. Or I'm going to put over here, you can do equal to just the 1 minus normal distribution, and x equal 3 comma mean comma the standard deviation comma cumulative true, and then close that, enter. Then you will get exactly the same answer basically. Okay, So that's your choice anyway. Now C is so probability between 1.7 to 2.7. Okay, so this case you have also two different choices. So first of all, you want to find out the normal value first and substitute from the bigger value to smaller value. Okay, so I'm going to show that first. Okay, so normal or equal sign. So don't forget equal sign. Normal distribution, and then 2.7 comma mean comma the standard deviation comma cumulative true, enter, and the smaller one equal to normal distribution, and then 1.7 comma mean comma the standard deviation comma cumulative true. Okay, and then now answer becomes bigger value minus smaller value. So that's one way to do it. Or you can just do equal to normal distribution, and then 2.7, this bigger one, comma mean comma the standard deviation comma cumulative, and then minus normal again, and then distribution, and then 1.7 comma mean comma the standard deviation comma, and then cumulative true, close the enter. Then as you see, we got the exactly same answer. Okay, so that's how you find normal distribution probability value using Excel. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to find probability of a normal distribution value, and then I will see you again with different video. Alright, thank you.